In composite manufacturing, curing ovens are among the most energy-intensive processes. UAVOS offers a solution, the energy-efficient Precision Composite Curing Oven. Our ovens consume up to 30% less energy than traditional models while delivering the same or higher precision and energy temperature profiles. The savings comes from high-performance ceramic fiber insulation, thermally isolated steel skins, and intelligent PID temperature control. The system reacts instantly to changes, avoiding unnecessary heating. Developed and refined for our own production center, this product line is built to perform in real-world manufacturing processes. Every upgrade has been tested and proven in-house to deliver maximum efficiency and reliability. Our ovens are equally suited to high-volume manufacturing and laboratory research.